Hi there, welcome to our 30 litre Longo&Co ice cream machine. Just going to demonstrate today from start to finish how to set it up and by cleaning and making ice cream from the machine. Okay, first of all, the machine ice cream will come with a tray, what just clips on the front there, like so. Okay, then you've got the hopper at the top. Inside the hopper you have the float, which is there, what just pulls off like that, the paddle, and just clips and pushes back on like so. You've also got in the top the float, which I'm pointing to you there, goes up and down for the mixture. Always keep the mixture above the black float at all times, stop the machine from running low on mix, and then you won't have a problem with the machine. Then we come down to the gate, the black gate at the front. You've got your 4 bolts. All be removed like so. Put the gate on the table. You've got your beater, what pulls out, all nice and washed and cleaned, and also the freeze chamber in there. When the machine is nice and empty and dry in the top, you can no power onto the machine, so for safety you can put your hand in there and wipe right from front to back with a cloth inside the machine. When it's all nice and dry in the top, you've washed your beater in the sink with some sanitizer, and to put back together you would need some of the grease that we sell. You can purchase on the website, or full gradable lube on there, and put it around the edge of the beater like so. Get the beater, push it back into the machine and click it in there. Then you come to the table where you've got your gate. You undo the pin, one side of the pin there, pin comes out, undo the seal at the bottom, and you push the plunger down from the top, push it down and pull it out from the bottom with the spring on. Take the spring off, get your gate, turn it over, got the rubber seal on the back, get the seal out of there to be washed and then put back in once it's been washed and cleaned. So all the parts, the gate, the seal, inside there, all can be cleaned and washed with sterilizer. Same with the rubber and the seals, all come off as well to be cleaned and washed as well as in there. Same with the cap, all washed inside the cap, so it's all nice and fresh and clean to go back. Once all cleaned, you now reassemble the machine, the gate back together. Got your rubber seals on there, grease, bit on there, little bit on there. Work that round the rubbers to make a seal. Once it's all round the seal, get your spring, put your spring back on. You get your plunger, got your window to window. So I put plunger in there, like so, put it in, so you've got window to window in there. Get the cap back on. Handle in that way, like so, which goes in the window in there. Handle into the window, pin through there, and you've got that motion like that. Put your pin nut back on. Turn the gate over, it's facing that way. Get your rubber lube, your grease again onto your seal. Plenty around the seal, work that around the seal. So it's all nice and protected around the seal like so. This will not cause any leaks on the machine. Once that's complete, then you put the gate, attach the gate back onto the machine by putting your bolts on one corner and then do the other corner. making sure all the nuts are tight, not too tight, and you've got that motion there for the machine to work. Once the machine is all assembled back together, all like that, all nice and good movement on the handle, now you can start pouring your ice cream mix into the hopper at the top. We're going to pour in 4 litres of mix. That's the least you can put in, 4, not 1, 2 or 3, 4 or more, always in the top. So we've now put 4 litres into the machine, turn the power on to the machine. Now, to adjust the number 4 setting, that is for the hardness and softness of the mix. So if the mix is too soft, then you would hold the stop button in till it flashes C04, and then press minus, take it down for softer, or plus, take it up for harder. Once you've done that, let it stop flashing, remove your hand, let it stop flashing, and there you go, change to 5. One more time on that, hold the stop button in, take it down to 4, remove your finger, and it changed back to 4. When you pour the milk in first, you will press the clean button, and the ice cream will start bubbling away in the top. Wait for 1 minute until the bubbles will stop bubbling. After 1 minute, when the bubbles have stopped in the top, if you're on the clean mode, you would then press the stop button and then press the auto button. The number you can see there now will then go up to 99 between 7 to 10 minutes in that period. When it gets to 99, the machine is ready then to serve ice cream. Right, as you can see now, the machine is now at 99, so now it's ready to serve ice cream. From out of the top of the machine there, all ready to go. Now we're going to dispense an ice cream out of the machine. There you go, 1 cornet was taken from the machine. Now we're just going to show you how to clean the 30 litre machine down. So you remove the lid, you've got on the stop button to clean the machine out and the ice cream out of the top in there, you press the clean button. Remove the tray and you start taking the ice cream out. As you can see, it come out like thick ice cream first. And we're on the clean mode button. So once all the ice cream has come out of the machine, still on the clean mode, a bucket of water, pour the water into the top. Still on the clean mode. Once all the water's out and it's running clear water, then you press the stop button and the machine is now all clean in the top. You would remove the paddle and wash that, and you get some tissue, blue roll, something like that, and you will dry in the top out of the hopper. Once it's all nice and dry in the top, turn the machine off, and you can start removing the gate. Once you've taken the screws off, remove the gate, get your bucket, put your bits in your bucket, take the beater out, just pulls out in there, into your bucket, all ready to be washed and cleaned, and put back together. You get a towel, you would wipe inside there, it's all nice and dry with your cloth inside the machine. You see it all nice and dry in there. Wipe in the top again, dry it out in the top, nice and dry in there. Then you'll get your sanitizer, what we send with the machine. You put the sanitizer in the bucket or in your sink, and that sterilises all the parts with a beater and the gate. Put the sanitizer and then one sachet of sanitizer through the machine as well. Just one packet in the top, rinse it through with clear warm water, and then rinse it off again with cold water. And that's how the machine can be sanitised and cleaned and all put back together again.